Hello everyone. So if you want to maintain a healthy body size, stick around and I'll share with you this very healthy vegetable stir-fried mushroom recipe you should be consuming to maintain a healthy body. So in order to come up with this recipe, the first ingredient I'll use as my meat is mushroom. So I'll be using mushrooms for today. I've shared recipes with fish, chicken. For today, the stir fry for today will be with mushroom and it actually tastes so yummy. And I'll be using the first vegetable I'll be using will be broccoli. Broccolis are very healthy, very healthy. They help to balance your hormones, cleanse your system. Like this is so nourishing. So I'll be using a handful of broccoli. So I'll show you how to wash the ingredients, but let me show you the second ingredient, which will be cauliflower. So these are very healthy cruciferous vegetables, very good for detox, cleansing your system, very nourishing. Like these vegetables are so good, but you can replace with cabbage if you can lay your hands on these vegetables, but these are very good. Yeah, cabbage too is a cruciferous vegetable. You can replace use cabbage instead. So this is my handful of cauliflower, handful of broccoli. So these are the first two vegetables I'll be using, like the main vegetables, and I'll be adding these green peppers. They are vegetables as well, very good source of antioxidant. Like they are one of the richest sources of antioxidant you want to have in your system to prevent oxidative stress, nourish your system with nutrients. Like these peppers are so good. Besides, they give that yummy beautiful taste and flavor to your meal. So I'll be using half of each of the colors. If you have just the red, you can use just one red, that's okay. But my I like colors. Like when you use a variety of vegetables, that is how you get different nutrients into your system. So you just simply want to slice the peppers into sizes that you like. So this is what I'm just trying to do, slice into different shapes or sizes that I love. Very powerful source of antioxidant, and they make your vegetable stir fry taste so fresh and yummy. If you try these peppers, you will fall in love with them. So I always add them in all my recipes. And yeah, so you just want to slice them up. And now what I want to do is I want to kind of wash my broccoli and my cauliflower. You want to wash with hot water, so that way it doesn't get too, you don't have to spend a lot of time stir frying. You just need to like fry for a little bit and everything is still intact. So these peppers will act like sauce. If you I'm just trying to slice them up and store in my refrigerator for later. Maybe I want to, if you want your recipe kind of wet, you can add in this as your sauce, or you just store this up in your refrigerator to use to marinate whatever you are preparing later. So this is my cauliflower and broccoli that I added hot water. I just want to rinse now, so they are really clean and very healthy. We know, these things were exposed. You really want to wash them before you eat them up, because this is stir fry. It's not really like cooking. So be careful and wash your ingredients well. I want to wash my mushrooms too, and I wash my mushrooms with hot water before I kind of prepare them. So it really cleans the mushrooms. You don't know if there's soil or whatever. Like you just need to wash with hot water. Like this is hot water, and you rinse. If you want to slice up your mushrooms, you can slice up the mushrooms. And yeah, I'll be adding half an onion in the vegetable stir fry. So nothing goes without onion. Onion makes everything taste so fresh and yummy. So I'll be adding one carrot as well. As you can see, this is a whole lot of different kinds of vegetables, different colors in here. That is how you nourish your system. Like this fresh, colorful stir fry is loaded with different nutrients you're putting into your system. So basically this is it, and I'll show you how to come up with the recipe. These are my ingredients. You have my peppers, my onion, carrot with my broccoli and cauliflower with my mushroom. So you want to, what I'm using is coconut oil. You can use olive oil if you don't have coconut oil. Olive oil is very healthy, coconut oil very healthy. You just want to put your onion, and then you add in your garlic. So I put a teaspoon of garlic. I will leave the ingredients at my description. A teaspoon of garlic. So you just need to put a teaspoon of garlic. That is just fine. A teaspoon of garlic will make the mushrooms to taste so good. And a pinch of salt with any spice you want. So I'm just using the chicken bouillon spice to give it kind of that Maggi cube kind of spice in here. So now after you fry for a little bit, you can add your cauliflower and your broccoli. So after you make sure you fried your mushrooms, that is when you add the broccoli. And I'm adding some pepper flakes, like this is red pepper. So you can add in your red pepper. If you don't eat pepper, that is fine, but pepper too helps to heat up your system. Pepper heats up your system to break fat so fast. So after you just add in your carrot, your peppers, and this is so colorful and nourishing. As you see the pot, vegetables are the best things you want to do to your system. Like this is what you want to be eating if you want your system to easily break it down and nourish your system. Eat a lot of fries, vegetable fries, and something like mushroom is very healthy. So this is kind of a very healthy plate of meal. So after you stir for like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, you just close up your pot and allow it to cook for like 10 more minutes or 15 more minutes. You don't want to cook it for so long. You want your ingredients to come out ready but not too cooked. You want to enjoy these vegetables not really too cooked but just ready. Yeah, just about 10-15 minutes. Don't cook for 30 minutes, please. Like 10-15 minutes and you are good. This is just okay and very fine now for you to serve it in your plate and enjoy. So this is it. This is the end result. If you like, you can consume this with your sweet potatoes. You can consume it with rice. If you want to consume it with rice, you can add in you see the sauce I shared with you, whether I blended the peppers. You can add that sauce to make it like kind of watery in a way you can consume your rice with it. Or if you want it just like stir fry, you leave it this way, you can consume with sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are healthy carbs, and trust me, you will hardly gain that bad weight. You will always stay healthy and in shape. These are the kinds of recipes I consume to maintain a healthy body size, never getting so big, no belly fat, because trust me, your system is able to break this so fast. It breaks it down so fast without straining. Unlike high carb meals, you don't want to go for those high carb meals if you want to maintain a healthy body size. These are the kinds of recipes you want to go for. Yeah, so these are the recipes I consume to stay healthy and in shape. If you want to lose that bad weight and get back in shapes, try this recipe, add into your daily life, and trust me, you will thank me later. And always start your day with your metabolism boosting drinks. I will share a video if you want me of what I eat a day to burn fat and maintain a healthy body size. Just leave me your comments below if you are interested, and I will share that video so you see exactly what I eat a day for the past 1 year now, the kinds of exactly the kind of food I eat or how I start my day to maintain this size and not as big as I used to be like a couple of years back. So yeah, thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and see you again in my next video. Bye.